If you want to close your Google Calendar account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure you do it correctly. Step 1. Sign into Google account. Go to the Google account sign-in page and enter your credentials to access your account. Make sure you are using the account associated with your Google Calendar. Step 2. Access data and personalization. Once logged in, navigate to the Data and Personalization section in your Google account settings. This area contains options related to your data and privacy. Step 3. Download your calendar data. Before deleting your account, it's a good idea to download your calendar data. Look for the Download Your Data option and select Google Calendar to export your events and information. Step 4. Delete Google Calendar. In the Data and Personalization section, find the option to delete a service or your account. Select Google Calendar from the list of services and follow the prompts to delete it. Step 5. Confirm deletion. You will be asked to confirm your decision to delete Google Calendar. Read the information provided carefully, then confirm that you want to proceed with the deletion. After completing these steps, your Google Calendar account will be closed. Make sure to check for any additional services linked to your Google account that you may want to manage as well.